Welcome back to Bennock's Garage. Today we are working on a 2015 Chevy 1500 LTZ Z71 package. Now this one, like most older Chevys, if you put this thing in reverse, you can't really tell what's back there. You just get it kind of shapes. You're getting different things that are back there, but you can't really make out what it is. It's pretty foggy. So I plan on changing out the back rear view camera so we can see exactly what's back there. So follow along to see what tools you need and how to do it. And this goes for 2014 to 2018 models. The tools you will need for this project takes about 20 minutes from start to finish. A T15 Torx head wrench, a small magnet to take out some bolts, something to help take off the plug off the connector, which is underneath there, a screwdriver to help pull back the red piece that stays onto the connector, and a long wobbly head extractor to help get the piece back through here that goes to here, because there's a big metal bar right here you can't get your hand past, so this definitely helps. That's all you need. On a scale of 1 to 10, this project is like a 2. Very basic, anyone can do it. So to get your camera out, all you gotta do is drop your tailgate, take a T15, and take out all your little screws. Once you get your plate off, just move it out of your way. And if you look, this is your camera there. If you look in between, down there, there's another T15 head. Let's see if I can... It's a light, I can't see it. There's another T15 head at the very bottom that you have to take these two out. So one here, one over here, right underneath all that. So take them two out. Yeah, I'm sorry, it's right there. So one here, one here. Take them two out, and your camera should be able to pull straight up. Alright, with them two out, you can see where the hole used to be, or still is. You have, let me just zoom out here. This is your wire here that goes through. You can pick your tailgate back up. And there's a connection piece that has like 3 different connectors in it underneath. And you just can disconnect the proper one. So, if I'm not mistaken, it's going to be this far one over here. So I'm taking that off. You see the little red thing. Just got to prop it back. There we go. Once you pop the red thing back, you stick your big fat hand up in there. Oh, come on. Get it. Push in and pull. Okay, I gotta put down the camera. So, I ended up having to use these type to get around, to push in and hold over here to pull it straight out. But once it's released, actually it can pull straight through. So you see, like right here, there's a little piece of plastic that's holding it. Just gotta unclip them and then pull it out of the tailgate. And then all you gotta do, after to get it disconnected and out of that little grommet, pull it straight back, get the round piece through the hole, which I'm having trouble doing. There we go. It's a tight fit, I know, but you do come. So anyways, you just gotta get the round piece through the hole and you're good to go. So with the old camera out, you really get to see how nasty that lens is. It's pretty darn bad. And And the new one, of course, this is a $59 one off of Amazon. It still has a protective lens cover on it. But yeah, this is a piece of cake. Alright, so to get this one back in, you're going to take your hand, try to feed it all the way back, and you're going to be aiming for that hole right there. Okay, so they have these things, you can get it advanced, long, very bendable, you can bend them any way you want. They have like a little grabby hold at the end. Basically take it, you start feeding it through. You're gonna see it come straight up to it. Right there we go. You don't have to fight the wire, you don't have to do anything. Once you get it that far, all you gotta do is pull it through. Alright, you can see it pushed through. There is a little bar that runs across here. You kind of pull up with your finger, and it gets it to come all the way through. Okay, so the new reverse, I can see everything. I can make out what car is behind me. It's no longer blurry. So yeah, it's night and day difference between the old and the new. Definitely worth the $59. Cheers. Thanks for watching.